Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add Stripe to WooCommerce. So let's get started. As you can see, we are looking at the WordPress website over here, and this is the one which I have created recently. So the first thing you would need to do, obviously you need to install WooCommerce, right? So how you can do that, just click on the left side of the menu and find plugins. And once you find plugin, click on add new. It will take you right over here, and here you are going to search on the top right corner on the search bar, as you can see, WooCommerce. Once you search that, it will take some time and it will open up something like this. And the first thing you would see WooCommerce, right? And it is by automatic, so just remember that. Otherwise, some people get confused that why not WooCommerce is, by WooCommerce itself, right? But actually it is by automatic. And you just need to click on install now from over here. And it might take some time to give you one more option, which is called activate. So you need to wait for a while. And while it's installing, you can check out the more details, obviously, like why it is so important. And mostly WooCommerce are for, e-commerce. So that's why people actually use it. And once it's installed, wait for a while, click on activate. Once you click on activate, it might take some time to load up depending on your speed, on your internet speed. So you just need to wait for a while. Once it's activate, you will see one more option on the left side of the menu. So wait for it, and as you can see, it start working right now. It's loading up, and here we are. As you can see, it open up something like this. You can set up your store from over here, but I'm going to just skip guided step. And here you are going to select your country, obviously, like where is your business located. After you select your country, it would seem something like this, and it might take some few seconds also. And here we are back at WordPress, right? And on the left side of the menu, you will find WooCommerce over here. We got home, orders, customers, reports, settings, and status and extensions. So there's a lot of stuff over here, right? On the right side of the page, you can see that we need to add products. That's why we can only start selling, right? We have choose your theme, set up payments, add taxes, add shipping costs, get more sales. But we need to set up our Stripe menu, right? So how you can do that? There are two ways you can do it, right? The first one is go to settings in WooCommerce itself and wait for a while. You will end up over here, and there are so much things opening over here. I'm just going to dismiss all of this, and you will end up over here. Here you can see we have general, products, shipping, payments. Click on payments, and you will see all the payments that WooCommerce providing us. But we cannot find overseas Stripe. So you can find that over here. Discover other payment providers. Click on this option. It will open up a new window. And here you can see that this is the WooCommerce ground where you can easily get a lot of stuff from over here. And the second thing you would see Stripe. Stripe by WooCommerce. And just click on this option. You will end up over here, and you can check it out by yourself if you want to read it out. I'm just going to click on free download form over here. Proceed to checkout, and here you are going to enter the details. So once you enter all of those information, you will end up over here again, and you will see your Stripe available over here. But there is one more way, the quick way, in my opinion. You can use it, which just click on plugins and go ahead and click on add new again, and it will open up a new window. And here you are going to search for again WooCommerce. Once you search that, you will see all the application related to WooCommerce, and the second one you can see we have WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Just click on install now again, like similar we did with WooCommerce itself, right? Just wait for a while, and you will see active button over here. As you can see, click on activate. It will redirect you to the different page now. Just wait for a while, and here we are. After that, what you need to do? You just need to go back to that page in settings of WooCommerce. Make sure to go in the settings of WooCommerce. Otherwise, some people go for the settings for, of the WordPress itself. So I'm going in WooCommerce and then settings, and wait for a while. Just click on payments. It might take some time to load up, so you might need to wait for a while. And here we are. As you can see, we have a lot of options over here related to Stripe. So why actually people are using Stripe? So Stripe is actually crucial for WooCommerce due to its user-friendly interface first of all, and the global reach, and obviously support for various, as you can see, payment methods. It seamlessly integrates with WooCommerce. Like I said, there are two ways, and I think this way is very quickly in my opinion, and it facilitates fast payouts, and it's developer friendly and making it easier for ideal choice for online stores looking for a reliable and versatile payment gateway. And most importantly, security wise, it's so good. So there is no option for, flaw. So what you need to do now, you just need to click on the finish setup. As you can see, this is a Stripe credit card. Just click on finish setup on the right side. It will redirect you somewhere where you can just easily, start working. So what are you going to do? Enter account keys. So if you have an account for Stripe, what you need to do, you need to enter some keys from Stripe by itself to connect your Stripe with WooCommerce. So click on enter account keys and you will see something like this. We need 3 keys over here: publishing live secret key and webhook secret. So how you can find that? And obviously you can test it out by like over here, but we are going for this one, or maybe we can go with this one. So let's open Stripe now. So once you log into your Stripe account, as you can see, you just need to do one thing, which is search for API keys. And once you search that, you will see something like this. Go to developers, API keys, wait for it to load up. And here we are. Here we can see we have publishable key and secret key. Make sure to, obviously this is a secret key, so don't show this to anyone. You can just reveal it and start copying both of these. And once you copy both of these, just go back and paste that over here. Secret key, obviously over here, and publishable key over here. We have test webhook secret also. So what do you need to do after pasting both of them? Just go back and you can see we have webhooks over here. Open this up and you can just easily create an endpoint. You can just click on this, wait for a while, and here you are going to create an endpoint. And how to create an endpoint is just go back to that page and you can see to add webhook endpoint, copy this all. They have provided us, obviously, just copy this and come back over here and paste that over here. Endpoint URL, obviously. If you want to give a description, you can give them. We have events on your account or events on a connected account. So it's or depend on you. Or after that, just click on add endpoint. After entering your details, as you can see, this is the website which I have pasted over there. What you need to do, just click on reveal over here. You will get the secret key, obviously. Copy that and paste that over here. Just click on save test keys, or you can just go live right away from over here to save live keys. Once you do that, you have successfully, connected your Stripe to WooCommerce. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add Stripe to WooCommerce. I hope you understand every single thing, every single way how you can add that and how you are going to connect that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.